Hey guys, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have a statue and it is of the King of the Dead, limited editions of 700. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's get right into this and I've been looking forward to getting this one. So let's open her up. Oh yeah, and just to show you here, sorry. Here's the art box. Show you real quick here. That's cool, eh? And as always, they have this flap that you can open this up so you can see how it was sculpted and everything. And the write-up of the King of the Dead, very, very cool. I love these art boxes, so nice. So let's open her up. I may have to, I think I'm gonna do this. Oh no, I heard something rattling in there. Hope it's not busted. Bottom. Very careful here. Wow. That's super cool. Okay. I'm gonna put there's these small little balls. I don't know what those are. Okay, I'm gonna do base, obviously base first. So, just to show real quick here. So you can see there, very, very cool. Careful with the base, it's super heavy. I don't know what all these little, I heard rattling. They're like clear little white ball, clear white balls that were in there. And then more of these. They don't have instructions in here, which is weird. This may be for something else here. Okay. Let's get him out of here. King of the Dead here first. Okay. Go this way. No, I don't think so. No, I don't think it goes that way. Ah, perfect. Whew. Lots of floaties there. Okay. Get the body intact there. And now the head. Sorry guys, I'm a bit shaky here. Just trying to be very careful here. Ooh, portrait's cool. Nice magnet. Yeah, so it took me a bit because I was trying to find pieces where to put them and everything. I finally found them. Yeah, this is a real cool piece, guys. Holy moly. I'll show you some close-ups in just a bit. This one here, this hand, you have to find the peg. It's a peg, it's not a magnet. You got to be very, very careful when you put it in. You just got to wiggle it and push, put a little pressure, and you'll get it in. So just a FYI on that. And yeah, no, I am freaking impressed with this piece, guys. Holy moly. This is super cool, and his portrait, oh my lord, this is a real cool piece, guys. If you have ordered it or wanting to get it, I highly recommend this piece. This is super awesome. So, that being said, I'm going to show you some close-ups now, guys. You're going to be very, very impressed on this. This is just so cool. So, let's show you some close-ups. So here we go. I will show you the portrait first. It is so cool and just absolutely love it. Look how detailed that portrait is. His beard, his eyes, I love his eyes. That is the coolest part on this statue. And then his hands. That one was already in, no, that one you had to put in, that was a magnet. And then this one here was a peg with that you just swivel in, and just very, very carefully that you put in. But I love his armor and his clothes there. And then see the ropes there, that you had to peg that one in. It stays loose, so just be careful on that. Look at his clothes, they're freaking awesome. And then his all his greenery from all the mist that he had when he's facing Aragorn, Legolas, and Gimli. And these skulls, oh my god. These are cool. So you can see that one gets pegged in. Now it's trying to find where the clump of the skull's going, and it goes in right here. Like, these skulls are freaking cool and awesome. Just look at that. Oh my god, the detail of the skulls and everything on this. Freaking amazing. And then there's one that has the upside down skull and everything. This is a real cool piece. That's the other skull that gets put in. And his cape on him. So cool. And then his sword. That's really cool. That looks like all the battle damage on there from all his battles and everything. And look at how detailed his hands are. Isn't that cool? And then his armor for his arms. But you know what? This, I dare say, is one of my top 2 grails now that I have. This piece is just freaking cool. I love his eyes. Look at his beard, and you can see his teeth there. So cool. And then his crown. And solid magnets on these, which I really, really like. And look at his hair. Isn't that cool? And his crown and everything. I'll show you all the way around here. Oh yeah, and then there's on the side of his, just I love those eyes. Isn't that cool? Oh my God, I love this piece. This is awesome. Love it. So that is King of the Dead, 1/6 scale. I just love this piece. Thank you, Weta. Just an awesome piece. Absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you in the next video.